Why did I even bother? It's not like anyone cares anyway. I just don't know anymore. I don't know. I'm done with this. I'm done with everything.
I concur. Let's throw everything away.
Hold up.
We can start with your life.
I can't. I'm not ready. How was I supposed to know that today was gonna be the day that I bit the big one?
That's what everyone says. Death is inevitable. I'll let you decide whose death. You will receive 3 visitors today. You must choose which of the 3 shall die in your place. If no one's chosen, back to plan A. Capiche?
Mom?
My baby boy.
You don't have to do that anymore.
I've been cleaning up after you since you were in Pampers, and I'll keep doing it until you're back in Pampers. Birthday boy. I'm sorry I can't make it to your party tonight.
It's fine. It's looking like nobody else is gonna be able to come either because I'm a fucking loser nobody wants to hang out with.
Gerald Page, mind your mouth. That's simply not true. You have a lot of good qualities. You just published your 3rd book.
I lied to you, Mom. I got rejected. Just like the other times. Nobody wants to hear my stories. I know you're disappointed in me.
It's good for you to let it all out, son. I know that you've been holding it in for a while. Stuff that you don't want to talk to me about. Friends who you're hanging with, what your books are about. But you know what? Sometimes if you put down your walls, you can see things that you otherwise wouldn't see when they're towering over you and boxing you in. I'd never think any less of you. I love you. I'll always love you. Because you're my son. And I gave birth to you. And I raised you. And I'd fucking die for you, Jerry. Bye, son. Happy birthday.
Bye, Mom.
Babe!
Selena.
How's that for a birthday present?
As usual, it was great for me. How was it for you? Was it so-so? I'm assuming.
Jerry, how many times are we gonna have this conversation?
I know how it goes. It's the Jerry, I love you so much. I could have any college athlete at my university, but I chose you. You know. I don't know if I'm.
Doesn't work for you? Babe, when you first invited me over, pretty sure all you had was that sleeping bag. And if my memory serves me, I still stayed.
That's true. Look, we give it to me straight up. I can take it.
It wouldn't kill you to be more confident.
I'll work on it. All right? I'll watch the Masters of the Universe and snort some protein powder. Next thing you know, New York Times will be begging me to write my next book. Thanks, babe.
Yeah. You know, your kindness wasn't the only thing that made me fall for you.
Hmm?
It's that cute little butt, too.
Thanks, babe.
You didn't come to work today.
Okay. Mr. Davis, so good to see you.
Don't smoke these, kid.
I'm sorry, but you gotta be the biggest fucking hypocrite I know. You're telling me you don't at least smoke more than 2 packs of those a day. Look, why are you here?
What do you think? Raining cats and dogs out there. Needed you today. And you didn't give your 3-week notice.
I'm a gas station clerk. Job blows enough as it is.
Then quit.
Yeah, no, that's... Actually, you know what? That's a brilliant idea. Give up my only source of income. Fuck me right up. Get rid of my stability.
I didn't say that to be a prick. You need to quit while you can. Look, if you ain't doing what you love, you ain't living life. You're just going through the motions. Oh, I'll get a job for a bit till I'm going. And then I'll wait till I'm settled. And then and only then will I start chasing my dream. A year lasts a year, then it's 5 years, and next thing you know, 30 years has gone by, and all you got is you're a goddamn manager at a job you don't damn well want. And all the while, you never once took a step towards your dream. And the longer you do it, the harder it is to quit. The more you depend on it. I was far better off to try and fail doing what you love than it is to live like an empty husk. Yeah. Come to work tomorrow if you don't want to hear any more philosophizing.
Maybe I won't have to. Consider this my 3 weeks.
What are you doing here? Piece of shit.
Why won't you commit?
You snake.
You're a coward.
You're horrible.
Just because I hate my life doesn't mean I can take theirs.
Happy birthday!
Dude, I thought you guys were all busy.
We all noticed you seemed off today.
What's with the big change? Did you forget what a loser you are?
You're supposed to die in our ceaseless suffering. You have nothing. You are nothing.
You are nothing!